Today we look at one too often overlooked piece of financial planning, estate planning. I'm Brian Rue, and after over 35 years in the field, I've had the privilege of guiding folks from all walks of life toward their financial goals. Financial planning isn't just a one and done deal. It's a journey that evolves as life unfolds its twists and turns. Change is constant, so many areas of financial planning that reviewing and updating on a regular basis will help ensure success as you navigate throughout life. And along that journey, there's one crucial piece that often gets overlooked: estate planning. The plan that spells out everything that should happen if you died today. In initial chats with new clients, I often ask, got a solid estate plan? Surprisingly, many folks either haven't put one together or are working with outdated versions. Yes, the most daunting part isn't drafting the will, it's having those heart-to-heart talks with your loved ones. Talking about money and mortality isn't exactly dinner table conversation material, but trust me, it's essential. Because not sharing the plan with family members can be a big mistake, not only emotionally, but possibly financially as well. According to a study by Cerulli and Associates, it's estimated that more than $84 trillion in wealth will be transferred by estates, both big and small, between 2021 and 2045. That's a staggering number and often leads to legal battles and other conflicts among family members. I've seen estates painstakingly built over a lifetime, distributed in ways that don't align with the wishes of the deceased, simply because a lack of planning. As a result, their assets are often the victims of unnecessary taxes, expenses, and often legal fees, not to mention the shock and hurt of the heirs as they try to wade through the aftermath of the estates of their parent or grandparents. It's heartbreaking and, frankly, avoidable. These experiences fuel us at Action Financial Strategies to urge you to not only establish but also update your estate plans regularly. It's all about clarity and peace of mind, both for you and your loved ones. And hey, these conversations aren't just for the golden years. Even the younger crowd benefits from understanding the family financial roadmap. Our recommendation? It should be done annually. This keeps everyone on the same page and allows the next generation to be involved in the planning as well. This is especially important in situations where there's a family business, for example, or perhaps a blended family, or even situations like a second marriage. A good example is a person who has lost a spouse and remarried. A scenario like this makes an estate plan critical to make sure the children and stepchildren clearly understand your wishes. When setting up a plan, the topics to cover aren't just about money. Be sure to address things like caregiving, charitable planning, stepchildren if applicable, and what about your personal property such as jewelry, fine arts, or other valuables. Never let your heirs try to figure out who gets what. That is typically a roadmap for disaster. Your estate plan isn't just about divvying up your assets. It's about ensuring your legacy lives on the way you envisioned. Establishing what is referred to as a special bequest memorandum can help clear up any potential misunderstandings among heirs. It is simply a document that defines who gets what as it pertains to that property. Once established, it too should be reviewed and updated annually and shared with the family. And here's a thought: why wait until you're gone to share your wealth? Consider giving a portion of your inheritance while you're still around to see the joy it brings. It's a win-win for all involved. Estate planning involves more than just paperwork. It's about trust provisions, powers of attorney, and selecting the right people or institutions to carry out your wishes. At Action Financial Strategies, we're here to help you navigate these waters, ensuring your financial legacy reflects your values and aspirations. You have worked hard to achieve your financial plan. Make sure you leave a legacy that truly reflects your intentions. Thanks for listening, and please share with those you care about. As always, keep doing life better.